What do you have in there?
So we did an order at Nordstrom because last time I was trying the one at Dior website, so I wanted to compare the service.
Ooh, and then this is from Nordstrom? Huh. Oh, wow.
So like that, and we have 3 samples.
Oh, we have 3 samples. What are the samples?
So La Mer moisturizer.
Oh, La Mer. Ooh.
Airbrush flawless foundation from
Airbrush.
and
Flawless
Chanel
foundation.
Coco.
And Chanel Coco. Oh, wow. Cool. But what is this? This one is the lip glow.
And we have the costs.
How much is this?
So we paid for that $35.
Oh, only $35 for this one. We are open it. Let's see what's inside.
So we choose the universal clear. They are showing it on the website with men's, so that's why I was trying it, and I like the end base. No,
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh.
You have the CD there.
Christian Dior. Oh.
And it's
nice.
a limited edition, I think, like that.
Oh, wow.
And yeah, so it's like a lip
It's
balm.
a lip balm.
Mm-hmm.
Nice, not bad.
So.
Yay.
And look, here's like metal.
And
yeah, it's made in France.
made in France.
Yeah.
Does it smell?
A
No.
little,
Oh.
yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I can hungle just made in France because I'm French, you know. So yeah, bye bye. Thank you for watching this video.